Greetings everyone. So today we are going to make the healthiest and the tastiest chaat ever. Take a cup of jowar ka atta, salt and sesame seeds. Add ghee and crumble it and then make a dough out of it. You need a microwave safe plate और अगर माइक्रोवेव नहीं है आपके पास तो you can see the comment section. मैंने वहाँ पे विदाउट माइक्रोवेव की रेसिपी दी हुई है. Now a microwave safe plate पे form as thin a layer as you can. Do not wet your hands while doing this. This can be some sticky sort of thing, but believe me, the result is amazing. Put it in your microwave and microwave for 1 minute on each side. You need to flip the side once it's done. See the crunch. Now let's begin with the chaat. So for the chaat, take a separate plate और उस पे पापड़ी के जैसे इस जवार चिप्स को लिटा देना है. You can crumble it as well, but I did it because I liked it. And उसके ऊपर you can add all the veggies you like. I am adding cucumber, capsicum, tomatoes and some onion. This is the regular green chutney that we generally use in our homes and उसमें मैं खजूर और इमली की चटनी डाल रही हूँ so that it balances out. And उसके ऊपर we'll add some dahi and grate beetroot as well. You can add beetroot only if you like. I love it, so I've added it. Now इसके ऊपर we'll add some सेव and उसके ऊपर we'll garnish it with some coriander leaves and it's done. The healthiest and the tastiest papdi chaat you ever had. Please like and share. Thank you for watching.